you're experiencing a server timeout issue in Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your gaming console or PC and unplug it from the power source for a few minutes. This can help clear temporary glitches and refresh your network connection. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Change your network settings by enabling quality of service QoS on your router, or switch to a wired connection if you are currently using Wi-Fi. This can help prioritize gaming traffic and reduce latency. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, uninstall and then reinstall Call of Duty. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout error. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the server timeout issue in Call of Duty. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.